When working with Unity 3.0 SP2, you may encounter an error when reopening a modified CANopen network file saved with a SP2 extension. This issue doesn't occur with files not containing a CANopen network. The error seems to be triggered specifically by changes made to the CANopen configuration. Understanding this problem is crucial because it can disrupt your workflow and lead to project delays. Let's delve into the specifics of this error to uncover its root cause and how to navigate around it effectively. Understanding the CANopen network is crucial for troubleshooting issues like the one you've encountered. CANopen is a higher layer protocol built on the Controller Area Network, or CAN, which is a robust vehicle bus standard designed to allow microcontrollers and devices to communicate with each other's applications without a host computer. In the context of Unity, CANopen networks facilitate the communication between devices, ensuring data integrity and real-time performance. The protocol defines a set of rules for data transmission, object dictionary, and network management. When you modify and recompile a SP2 file to a SP2 file, any discrepancies in the CANopen network configuration can lead to errors, as the protocol expects a specific setup to maintain its robust communication framework. This is why recompiling without preserving the exact network settings can result in operational issues. Now, let's delve into the initial configuration process. Begin by launching Unity 3.0 SP2. Navigate to the File menu and select Open. Locate your SP2 file, which contains the CANopen network configuration. Once opened, you can make modifications as needed. After editing, save the file with a new name, preferably with a SP2 extension to avoid confusion. It's crucial to archive the original SP2 file for reference. When you reopen the SP2 file and encounter an error, it's likely due to specific configurations within the CANopen network that weren't preserved during the save process. This issue doesn't occur with files lacking the CANopen network, highlighting the importance of understanding the network's intricacies. Remember, the key to troubleshooting is in the details of your configuration settings. Now, let's delve into the error that occurs when reopening the SP2 file. This error is particularly perplexing because it only surfaces when a CANopen network is present. Imagine the software as a meticulous librarian. When you save and reopen a book, it expects the contents to remain unchanged. However, in this case, the librarian finds discrepancies, leading to the error. The root cause often lies in how the software handles memory allocation and deallocation when modifying and saving files. Specifically, when you modify and save the file as SP2, certain memory pointers may become invalid or misaligned, causing the software to throw an error upon reopening. To resolve this, you might need to ensure that all memory allocations are correctly managed, or consider updating your software to a version that handles these scenarios more robustly. Remember, the key is to maintain memory integrity throughout the file operations. To identify the root cause of the error you're encountering, let's dive deeper into the CANopen network configuration. First, verify the node IDs of all devices on the network. Mismatched or duplicate node IDs can cause communication failures. Next, check the baud rate settings. Ensure they are consistent across all devices. An inconsistency here can lead to data corruption. Additionally, inspect the PDO mappings. Incorrect PDO mappings can result in the error you're seeing. Finally, review the error logs for any additional clues. Often, the logs will provide specific error codes that can point you directly to the issue. Remember, the key to advanced troubleshooting is systematic elimination of potential causes.